In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Urdu font in WordPress website. So firstly, log in your WordPress dashboard, and here work cursor to plugins and install a new plugin. Now find out the plugin font, press enter, and here you will see a list of plugins. So install and activate this plugin. Use any font. Now activate. So here click on use any font. Generate free API key. And verify. Now click on upload font and select your font. If you don't have, so check out the description. A name and upload. Now wait for a few seconds. So visit the website for description and download this font on your PC or laptop. And here guys, just you need to upload that font. And once you click on assign font, so there are some more options once you assign font. So you can use Urdu font as a heading, page title, category title, and there are some more options. And once you click on settings and you want to use both Arabic and Urdu and English, both language, so enable multi-language support. So in this drop down, click on yes. Then save settings. Now visit your any website. Now visit your website page or post where you have Urdu font. Now select and here select this font and update. Now visit your post. So as we can see now, we have this Urdu font, and this way you can install this custom Urdu font in your WordPress website. Thanks for watching.